How to use Polarsteps for beginners. So basically, Polarsteps is an app that allows you to basically track all the places and all the countries you visited. So as you can see, you can find this app for free on Google Play and App Store. And as you can see, you can track your journey automatically in a beautiful way. So basically, when you install this app, this is gonna track all the places you've been through. And as you can see, you can even invite your friends, you can follow them and see all their trips. You can create a trip with this friend so you can travel around with your friends. So basically all you have to do is simply download the app, or if you want you can simply go to Polarsteps official website, and as you can see you're gonna have to create your account and you can simply add a trip. So as you can see, you can add here Rome trip, and here you can simply add a summary of this trip, and here you're gonna have to choose when when it took place. So as you can see, you can choose the dates. Here you can see the start date and the end date, and who can see my trips. As you can see, you have different options, so you can make this private, or if you want you can share this with your followers or make it public. Then simply click on add trip, and basically that's it. As you can see here, you can add more destinations. So if you've been to Rome, you can simply type in what you've visited there and all the great stuff you did in that trip. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.